Hello, everybody. During last hunting season, I missed some birds, and I understand that gunstock, what I have, doesn't match me, and I need to make another one. And in that year, I decided to make a new gunstock exactly adjusted to my body.
Up. Do better.
So, from the very beginning, we take a wood, uh, fix it, mark, and make a central hole first. After that, we take a gun and measure is it right or not. I had no special kind of tools, so I use only that tool what I have. So sometimes it's not so easy for me. And again, measuring, cutting, adjusting, polishing, and so on. Okay, the first what we have to make is that side of stock. What is our purpose? When we put that on, I need my eyes to have to be there. Now I see that I have to take a little bit off from that side, and making that time after time, measuring, we make that perfect, that side in the perfect position. And after that I will start make that side and all that stock like he supposed to looks like. And again, measuring, cutting, polishing, and again measuring, and until we fit that stock perfect. After I adjusting that stock to my cheek and tail, I can do the same with another parts. And now sanding, polishing, sanding. I have honestly to tell you that it's not a easy or fast process. And next step is shaft oil. We impregnate the wood with the shaft oil. The practice is the only criteria. So we have to go to the shooting range and make a test shooting.
Up. Up.
Only here I can understand the things that I have made. Is
Do
it
better.
worth it or not?
It's you. Up. Do better.
That's okay. Only one.
Up.
Looks like everything is okay. It's a good.
Up.
Okay, so now I can make final polishing, checkering, impregnating, and all that. And that's everything for today. So see you next video. Bye.